Alright, so for our x value of 18, you're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to write my equation, y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3. And all I have to do is plug in that 18 into my x value. So y is equal to negative 1/2 times 18 plus 3. I know that if I cut 18 in half, it's 9. So y is equal to 9 plus 3. But I have to look at my negative, and this one's a positive. So that makes my 9 a negative. So y is equal to negative 9 plus 3. If I have a negative and a positive and I want to add them together, I actually subtract them. So y is equal to 9 minus 3, which is 6, and I keep the sign of the larger number. So my larger number is a negative. So I know that y is equal to negative 6, and I place that in my table. My next value of x is 24, so I'm going to do the exact same thing, but I'm going to place 24 into x instead. So negative 1/2 x plus 3 is my equation. So I rewrite y is equal to negative 1/2 times 24 this time plus 3. I know that half of 24, if I cut that right in the middle, is 12. And I have a negative and a positive, and that makes this a negative 12 plus 3. If I have a negative and a positive, I actually subtract them. And so 12 minus 3 is 9. And that's a negative because I keep the sign of the larger number. So this 9 will go here in my y value. Then I have to graph them. So I'm graphing the points for my table. I have negative 8 and 7, so I go over 8 spots and I go up 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I go to the next one, which is 0, and I go up 3. The next one is 6, and I stay at 0. The next one is I go over 10, and I go down 2 places. So I can go ahead and connect those dots to make my straight line. So on your practice problems, you're going to do number 3. So go ahead and pause your video so that you can do number 3. You can go ahead and skip example D, and we will go back to that at another time. So make sure that you glue in your notes, and don't forget your table of contents is filled out.